Now this figure 19-24B deals with branch circuit requirements in accordance with 440.62C. Now this would be an installation where the air conditioner maybe would operate with these other loads, lights and receptacles. Now what this section allows basically is to bar 50% of this circuit. So if you had 20 amps, you could bar 50% of it, so that'd be 10 amps. And if these other loads did not exceed the 10 amp rating, then this would be okay. But if you interlocked the air conditioner so that it would not operate with the other loads simultaneously, then it would be 80% of the 20 amps would be 16 amps in accordance with 440.62C. So here we have a 20 amp overcurrent device in the panel board. We have number 12 copper conductors. The unit is less than 10 amps operation, has a soft start to reduce any kind of inrush currents, except, short circuit, ground faults, and overloads. And in step 1, we have the number 12 wire, good for 20 amps. Now that's in accordance with 440.62 as well as 210.24. Now calculating the amps, 440.62C and 210.23A, permissive type loads, we take 50% of 20 and we're allowed 10 amps for that air conditioner unit, and we're pulling less than 10. So we have complied with 440.62C for branch circuit requirements, where an air conditioner, small window unit, is added to an existing 20 amp circuit, as you see in the illustration.